Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about ads and what to look for. So first off, I'll show you how we structure it. So we upload the video and we can see the different formats that they're going to be used in. And after we do that, we put in the copy here, right? So we're going to be putting on different primary texts. We're going to be testing different headlines right here. And we're going to be testing different buttons, things like that. We're going to have our call to action. Right? Usually we do learn more. And if you want a lead capture form, we're actually going to build you your own custom form, which then looks something like this. You know, we're going to have our multiple choice questions, a couple of them just to make sure that the leads are good quality, and they're going to fill out their contact info, and that end copy that I talked about earlier goes right here with another link. Normally we have that link going to a booking page where they could schedule a meeting, or this could be to upsell them. You know, you just sold them something online and now they have a link where they could buy something else at a discount. So the options are really endless. Now let's go into the actual ad reports. So this is the weekly update that you will be getting from us every single week on a Friday, and we'll be breaking down your current cost per 1,000 impressions, how many impressions you got, how many people clicked on a link to fill out your form, and then how many leads you've actually got. Now this is for lead gen. If it's going to be e-com, it's going to be slightly different, but very similar. Now, we're also going to be attaching a PNG file or a screenshot of this report. You're going to see the gender, the age, and you're going to see where your majority of your leads are coming from, how much you're spending, your cost per 1,000 impressions, things like that. Now this is all that you could find in your ads manager and your own Facebook account. So let's review, right? So we see the totals down here, right? Results from 31 different ads that are running. We got 125 leads in the last 30 days. We could check our cost per lead right here. So we're paying $14.42 per lead, which is very good for a $40,000 product. So, and we could also see which ad is bringing in the most leads. So this ad is bringing in 98 leads. Now you might be thinking like, Eric, whoa, why is it bringing in 98 leads and some of them aren't bringing in any leads? So that's how Facebook's algorithm works. We throw in all the ads that we create and we let Facebook decide which one to put all your ad spend into. At this moment right now, like 99% of the ad spend is going into this ad alone because it's realizing that it's working. And we know it's working because it's getting leads, and the cost per lead is at $11 right here. Industry standard is like $20 to $40, and this is $11. So, you know, we're looking at something right here, $44 per lead. You know, only got 3 leads. So Facebook notices that. They're like, dang, this is too expensive per lead. We got to find another ad. Now, right here, we're going to see our impressions, right? Impressions is how many times your video was showed. And we could see the total here, and we could see, you know, per ad. Next, we see reach. Now, the difference between reach and impressions. Reach is how many people you've reached. Impressions is how many times that ad was played. So one person could see your ad multiple times. And that actually goes into the next stat that I'm going to show you, and that is going to be frequency. Frequency, if I can find it right here, is going to be how many times a person saw your ad. Moving on, we have our amount spent. So this is how much was spent on the actual ads themselves. As you can see, the budget for this ad right here was $1,000, whereas some of them are $7, $134, and you could obviously see the massive spike in cost and how much it spent per ad, and that's because this is your winning ad. So you want it to learn, you want it to do that. So that just about wraps up understanding ads and the metrics, and this is all just for leads. If you're doing stuff with e-commerce or selling online, you're going to have different metrics here where it says ROAS, return on ad spend, return on investment. You're going to have different metrics to go by, you know, abandoned shopping carts, things like that. But that just about wraps up advertising. In the next video, I'll be talking about leads and what we do to nurture them.